Hi people, today we're at Ferrari's country house manor. I'm here for a wedding and this is a twin room. So as you can see, got a single bed. Let's check the bed, shall we? So yeah, mattress cover on there. And then we'll have a look at the double as well. Yeah. Pillows are nice and firm as well. Bedside lamp there. And pretty. Bedside table. Nothing in the drawer. Cup mat. You don't often see them. And we got a luggage rack there. Big mirror. Hi people. Fire instructions on the wall, another mirror there, and got tea, coffee, and has a little teapot. And let's have a look at this kettle, shall we? It's not too bad, but it looks a bit manky. Drawer there, and then got TV, got 14-inch one, I think. Quite a small TV for the room. And then please do not disturb and clean the room sign. Right. We have, can hear it. I can't see it. Yeah. Right. I'll sort that out later. And then got a cupboard here. Nothing in there. And there's a couple of drawers there. Drawer liner. Radiators. And of course, onto a car park. And lovely view of the countryside there. And chair. And another bedside table. Another drawer. Plug socket there. And double plug socket there by the looks of it. And you've got a fan there as well. And then another socket there. And you've got a wardrobe there with hangers. And hair dryer. And a blanket. And then got the bathroom. Ooh, got a spa bath. Yeah, nice. And then got a shower. Let's have a clean up shower headed, shall we? Yeah, clean. And then you got mirror there. And shaver's light as well. Shampoo, hand and body lotion and body wash. And plastic cups as well. Sink, towels, bin. Of course, there's a for your spa bath. Might have to try that out later. And a shower mat, and that's quite very clean actually, looks brand new. And towel rail, toilet roll, Andrew's toilet roll at that, because you go to the bubbies. Clean toilet. And you've got a skylight up there. So yeah. So don't forget to like, subscribe if you're not already, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.